Hello friends, welcome back to Learning Platform. Today I am going to tell you everything you have studied in my previous lectures with the help of a C program. I have already written the C code to make it easier to understand to you people. Let's begin with the C program. Our first C program. Lines 1 to 4 are representing documentation section. Documentation section, as told earlier, consists of comments. You can see the comments here. It consists of the name of the program. The name of program is C first program here. It consists name of author, which is learning platform here. Also it consists date on which your program is created. So this portion is representing documentation section. Line 1 to 4 are representing documentation section. Fifth line is representing link section, because here a linking is shown with the standard library function std input output. Next line shows a global declaration and definition part. Here a variable is declared named sum, whose data type is integer, and it is assigned a value equals to 1. So it is defined also here. That's why this is called as definition section. Why it's called global declaration section? Because every variable which is declared before sum, before main function is a global variable, as it can be accessed from anywhere in the program, in the C program. So sum here is our global variable, and this whole line is a definition and global declaration part. Seventh line is representing a sub-program whose name is sum1, and it is taking two parameters which are of integer data types, and it is returning, its return type is also int. There is a difference between declaration of the subprogram and definition of the subprogram. After declaration, you terminate it with the help of a semicolon. In definition, you define what actually this program is going to compute. So definition for this program is, this subprogram is shown from line 15 to 18. This program is taking two variables a and b of integer types and computing the operation of addition on these two variables and returning its value to the point at which it is called, that is here. Let's go to main function. This is your main function section. Inside it, two variables a and b are declared. Both are of integer types. After this, we have a function called printf. Inside printf, a statement is written. This is first C program by learning platform to add two numbers. This statement will going to be print as it is on the output screen. After this line, call is make to the function sum1 with 2 and 2 as variable a and b, as value of variable a and b. When this call is make, the control is passed to this function, and these values are going to replace variable a and b respectively, and on adding these values, output will be generated as 4, which is returned back to this variable sum. To display this output, we would add one more line here, that sum of given numbers is, we will use a format specifier here. Format specifier here will represent value for this variable sum. Since sum is an integer variable, therefore we have used %d as a format specifier. Let's compile this program. There are no errors, there is no warning. So let's run this program. You can see the output. This is first C program by learning platform to add two numbers. Now you can see this line is in continuation. So as to make this line, to generate a new line, we add an escape sequence known as \n and again compile it, again run it, and you can see this line is now in a next line. Sum of given number is 4, which is your output. From this program we get to know about one function, printf. Printf is used to print strings, integer, character, float, octal and hexadecimal values onto output screen. Inside printf \n means generate a new line. %d format specifier is used when we want to display value of an integer. Similarly, we can use %c as a format specifier when you want to display value of a character. And I will tell you about one more function, which is the scanf function, which have not been used here, but I just want to make you know about its functioning. Scanf function is used to read character, string, numeric data from user using keyboard. And inside scanf function, these format specifiers are used to receive the integer value. Similarly, %f is used to receive a float value. %c is used to receive a character value. Let me tell you the functioning of scanf function also. Suppose here, instead of making call to these function, instead of actually declaring this subprogram function, I want user to enter values of a and b then I will simply give a command that enter values of a and b, and also I am going to use \n here to generate a new line. When I give this command, after this I am going to write scanf function to receive values of these variable. Why I have written %d 2 times? Because I am going to take values for two variables, and these values are stored inside these variables. Ampersand here representing the address of the value of variable A. Ampersand here is representing the address of the value of variable B. So this is how scanf function works. Let's complete this program. I forgot to put a semicolon here. Enter the values of A and B, 2 and 3, and you'll get the output as 5. I hope you understand. We'll meet you in the next tutorial.